Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The AI revolution is here and it's moving faster than ever before. Every day we hear more about artificial intelligence doing things that we once thought only humans could do. But here's the big question. Can AI actually surpass human intelligence in 2025? Stick with me till the end because we're diving deep into this mystery and I promise you the answer might just surprise you. Let's get into it. AI has come a long way in just a few years. From speech recognition to self-driving cars, AI is rapidly changing the way we live. Just a decade ago, machines like this seemed like pure science fiction. But now AI systems are not just writing articles or answering questions, they're even beating humans at games like chess and Go. But can AI really think? Can it feel? Can it surpass human intelligence in 2025? That's what we're here to explore. In 2025, the AI we're dealing with is no longer the AI we once imagined. We're talking about advanced, deep learning models, self-evolving algorithms and AI systems that are pushing the boundaries of possibility. From ChatGPT to Google's Bard, AI is challenging the limits of what we thought machines could do. But can these systems think and feel like we do? Can they surpass the complexity of human intelligence? Let's start by understanding what makes human intelligence so unique. The human brain is an incredibly complex organ. It allows us to feel emotions, to make intuitive decisions, and to think creatively. Our intelligence isn't just about logic, it's about intuition, empathy, and adaptability. We learn from our mistakes and sometimes make decisions based on gut feelings. There's a certain unpredictability to human intelligence that AI doesn't have. Now let's talk about AI. Unlike humans, AI doesn't have emotions and it doesn't have a sense of self. What AI does have, however, is speed and data processing power. It can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, detect patterns we might miss, and solve problems with mathematical precision. So while AI is a powerful tool, it lacks the depth and emotional intelligence we humans bring to the table. Now let's get into the heart of the question. Can AI surpass human intelligence in 2025? AI has made incredible progress, especially with systems like GPT-4, DeepMind's AlphaGo, and IBM's Watson. These AI systems have already defeated human champions in games like chess and Go, and AI has taken over tasks that were once thought of as distinctly human, like writing poems, composing music, and even diagnosing diseases. But here's the catch: AI is still limited. Despite its impressive feats, it lacks consciousness. It doesn't feel happiness or fear. It doesn't experience the world the way we do. So while AI may be able to solve certain problems faster and more accurately than humans, it still doesn't possess the full range of intelligence that we have. As AI continues to advance, we need to start asking ourselves, what happens when AI gets even smarter? What happens when machines are capable of thinking and learning at the speed of light? Will they be able to make decisions for us? Will they take over jobs? What about creativity? And most importantly, what happens to us if AI ever becomes truly self-aware? We have to face the reality that AI could impact nearly every aspect of our lives. In industries like healthcare, finance, and even the military, AI could start making decisions that affect our well-being. Some experts believe that artificial general intelligence, which could potentially learn and evolve like humans, might be the next big step. But others argue that AI will always be limited by its programming. It can never truly surpass human intelligence. So what does the future look like? Can AI become more than just a tool? Will it ever surpass human intelligence? It's hard to say, but one thing is for certain: AI is already changing the world. Whether it becomes a super intelligent being or remains an incredibly powerful tool, AI will shape the future in ways we can't yet predict. By 2025, AI will likely continue to integrate into our daily lives, making things more efficient and in some cases making decisions for us. But no matter how advanced AI becomes, we should always remember one thing. Human intelligence is complex. It's not just about data or logic. It's about emotion, creativity, and the unpredictability of the human mind. So, can AI surpass human intelligence in 2025? The answer is still up for debate, but what we do know is that AI will continue to evolve and its impact on society will be huge. The question isn't just about whether AI can surpass us, but about how we as humans can adapt and work alongside AI to create a better future. If you're as curious about the future of AI as I am, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. What do you think? Will AI ever surpass human intelligence, or is there something that machines just can't replicate? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See you in the